Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that stable token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, stable is a high throughput USDT gas layer 1 blockchain designed for real world financial applications, institutional settlement and consumer scale transactions. The network combines a simple fee model, gas fee paid in USDT, deterministic block space guarantees, and a validator architecture focused on reliability, transparency, and sustainable rewards. Stable is the native token used for network security, validator staking governance, and ecosystem alignment. It is not used for gas. Instead, users pay transaction fee in USDT, while stable captures value through validator economics, staking incentives, protocol governance, and treasury driven ecosystem program. Stable aims to provide a scalable computation layer optimized for payments, financial rates, and high frequency applications. Stable is a purpose built blockchain designed to optimize USDT transaction, enabling instant gas fee settlements while using USDT its native currency for fees and operations. Stable token total supplies 100 billion and circulating supplies around 17.6 billion stable coin. Stable token is listed on Bybit, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other exchanges. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.